eat, you have to blow it first because it is hot. Don't burn your mouth with food. Hi YouTube, I'm THACH and today is a good weather and I'm taking out for food. We enjoy with the yellow fried noodle. Wow. I'm gonna go again. Hello bố, em bị ha. Let's make another box. Yellow noodle fries. Okay.
Ôm anh không ấy, ôm anh thẹp mà cha ơi canh nhà mới sân.
Okay, I already made order and now I need to voice her cookie. She is very friendly and oh yes, to make egg fries and it smells aromatic of food. Make me hungry right now. Okay, done. See that pop up? That is absolutely amazing. It smells aromatic and yes, that is nice. Okay, and we add egg on top. And we add some chili pickle with chili oil with a sweet pea sauce. Okay, open. Okay, let's find it here. You will see here, and it is very fresh. With a beautiful atmosphere here, and we sit on both sides, and you see, we sit under the tree. It's a big tree, and it is, yes, very fresh. Okay, that box is for my man. He's frying noodle with egg on top, and yes, he is iron teeth. Go first and tell me the flavor. Okay, he said the noodle is so amazing, it is good, and that's my time right now. Okay, so that's my time, and I have to open chopstick. Oh wow, that is incredible. Did you see the ingredient and the vegetable on the yellow fries? That is like a collie and cabbage with some slice of pate, beef, and also she put egg on top and she add some chili inside. It smells so good, and also bean sprout on there. Okay, so I'm gonna go with pate and some slice of beef with a yellow noodle. Every time you eat, you have to blow it first because it is hot. Don't burn your mouth with food. The flavor is so torture, and it is a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, and it is good with the fresh vegetable and also with chili oils. That is good. The flavor is so touchy. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 8 and oh, it is yolk. Okay, so oh, it is soft and a little bit oily, but it is good. I like it. I like it too much. Okay, so I'm gonna get with a big chopstick and oh, dog is coming. Hello, you want to enjoy? No, okay. Oh, did you see? It's smoky. Smoky flying to the sky. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go again. That is nice. That is real flavor. I like her cooking. And she is very friendly. That's good. And she have 2 options for her customer. The first one we can eat here and we sit like a walk side like me, and some of some of her customer take it away. Maybe some of them take to eat at the office, and also some of them take to eat at home. Well, the pate is kind of like Vietnamese sausage, and I think they add some garlic in there. I can smell it with a little bit black pepper. Yes, that is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go with to finish. I will finish it. So after finish, you have to take a box. Put in the trash here. Okay, some customer also eating here behind the tree, after the tree. Okay, some of customer are eating here like me and my young man, and also some of customer they take it away like the guest here. He waiting and he will take it away. Maybe he eat at his office or his home. I'm not sure. But the lady is amazing cooking lady. She is good. She is nice. Okay, thank you very much for watching on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give me thumbs up and click subscribe with comment below for your food recommendation. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.